Many times you want to buy Optimism and you are wondering, where can I buy Optimism? So hello crypto smart investors. In this video, we'll be showing us exactly how to buy Optimism on Gate.io network. So follow me to the end of this video as I'll be showing you exactly how to do so. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up on Gate.io. If you have not registered, go ahead to register with the link in the description. So, but if you already have an account, just quickly hit on the login button. So the login button should bring you to this next screen and you should log in immediately. So I'm just going to log in with my QR code, which is a more easier process. So I just tap on my mobile phone and I log in accordingly. And here we are. I've been logged in very fast. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to search for Optimism. So just move your mouse to this end of the screen, click it and type in what? Optimism. All right, you might not need to type it completely because the ticker is OP. So I click on what? Optimism USDT pair and it should open up. So once it's open, you should see the price it is trading at the moment, which is about $1 or thereabout, and it is down about 41%. Okay, so make sure that before you begin trading, you've completed your KYC and you already have some USDT deposited. We've made several videos on how to transfer USDT from exchange such as Binance to your Gate.io account. Watch the video up there now. So as it is now, the price of Optimism is $1.08. So I'm just going to input the price I want to buy my Optimism. Then I go ahead to click buy. So I want to buy my Optimism at a price that is lower than the current market price. So I'm just going to input what? $1.016. So the amount of Optimism that I want to buy is, let's say I want to buy just 30 pieces of Optimism, or you can decide to use percentage of your funds to buy Optimism with. Okay, so suppose I want to use 50% of my funds to buy Optimism, so it will fetch me 54 Optimism, or if I want to use 25%, it will give me what? 27.17 Optimism. So the total cost in USDT is 28.8 USDT. All right, so I go ahead and smash the buy button. So there will be a confirm buy order notification here. So I go ahead to click on confirm order. So for everything I need to do, I need to input my fund password. All right, so I go ahead to click on fund password and hit on submit. It's a very seamless process and it's something that I can do in a jiffy. So order placed. Okay, so order placed is different from order executed. So once you come down, you should be able to see your buy order for Optimism. Once the price gets to 0.0106 USDT, my buy order will be executed. So at any point in time, you can actually cancel this particular trade. Is that okay? So that is exactly how to make a buy order for Optimism on Gate.io network. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also like and share this video. Support us by smashing that subscribe button right away. Remember, in all you do, trade responsibly. Peace out.